So let's talk a little bit about how you can use some of these oils. I'm going to go over the 12 oils that come in the oil starter kit for you, just so you can get an idea of what you can use these for. Now, Young Living has over 200 different oils, and you can use them for a whole variety of things. But this is a really good starting point, and it gives you a pretty good grounding in how the oils can be used. So first we have Thieves. Thieves is crazy amazing immune support, like amazing immune support. It's definitely one that we are using a lot right now. Lemon oil. Lemon is a natural body detoxifier. So I like to use this in a glass of water every morning, help my body release the toxins that have accumulated during the night. It tastes amazing. It comes from the rind of organic lemons. So it's not quite as acidic as lemon juice, and it has many of the benefits and a few extras that juice has. So I like to use this because it's not as hard on my enamel. I also like to cook with it. It's really a yummy, yummy oil. Peppermint. Peppermint is a workhorse, meaning it has a lot of those nutrients we've talked about, the chemical constituents, the goodies in it, which means it can do lots of things. So a lot of times I'll just say try peppermint and see what happens for whatever it is that you might need an oil for. I like to use it for my breath. I'll put a drop on my tongue. That also helps me wake up, right? That peppermint is very brightening. It helps me focus. It goes down and supports my digestion. It's a really powerful oil. Citrus Fresh is a blend of 5 citrus oils and 1 mint. It has spearmint. So I use them as a combo of these two, right? It's a little energizing. I like to put it on my tongue. I'll put it in my my yogurt for flavoring, and it's brightening. It tastes really good. It's super good for you. It's a natural body detoxifier. Digize everything digestion, okay? So whether your challenge is going out or coming in, Digize can help. And I'm telling you, it's super fast. It just supports healthy digestion. Awesome. Lavender. Well, lavender, you've probably already heard of. It is considered the gateway oil because it's the one that people are very familiar with. It is a very calming oil. It is great for sleep oils. I like to make a spray out of it for my linen spray and actually for perfume too. It makes a lovely non-toxic perfume. And it's also really good for your skin. We use this as the boo-boo oil too. So if you've got a kiddo in particular, this can be a very handy oil. Valor. Valor is a very calming oil. It helps ground you. When you've got your brain spinning out of control, it brings all of that craziness down and grounds you. So right about now, we could all use a lot more of Valor for sure. It's also known for courage. It helps build courage. And I think part of the reason for that, to be honest, is it, instead of having all your energy being dispersed between I should do this, I need to do that, I should do that, you're able to ground all that and put all of your energy toward whatever it is that you want or need to do. Panaway, really great for sore muscles, joints. It's, you know, for rubbing on to those places where we need a little rubbing on. Raven, amazing for breathing it in. I love to diffuse this one, especially when I'm in the hot, steamy shower. Really awesome. Frankincense, another workhorse. Got lots of constituents in it, very full of nourishment, if you will. It's a great one to diffuse. It's very uplifting. It's a nice one for meditation. It supports your mood, a better mood, shall we say. It's also amazing for your skin. It's in a lot of Young Living's skincare line. Now, you get 2 bonus oils as well, and these are fantastic for right about now: Peace and Calming and Stress Away. So you can just imagine how fabulous those are. Use as directed: peace and calming, stress away. Okay, so that is just a primer on how you can use the oils and the myriad of ways that you can use the oils. I have essential oils in my life that support my hormones, that specifically support my respiratory system, my immune system, my nervous system. I've got adrenal support. I have thyroid support. It's amazing. The oils are phenomenal. And when you sign up through our referral code through Simply Serendipity, you get support from one of us who will personally help you figure out whatever it is you need. Just, you know, help direct you to find all of your resources. So let us know if you have questions.